Now in this video I'm going to show you not with the ramp. I can delete the ramp right here. We have this ramp, delete it, and what I need to have here, I can take a noise modifier. Modifier means a noise texture, and always what I like to have this Perlin noise kind of thing. So this, you can see this black means there is no small. Black means small, you can see, or nothing, and white means we have bigger thing. What happens if I put it there? So select this distribute node and search for this map, and middle mouse drag and drop right here. You can see exactly, and then and there is happening properly. So how can I see properly? You can see if I increase it even more, I can see 10,000 this points means copies we have here. It's very heavy kind of thing right now. Now see what happens. Exactly the same thing is happening now. If I show you, select it and come to this amplitude. That means is if I make it 5, means is what is happening. You can see the black area. So what I can make it something like this. Now you can see that this black area has nothing, and nothing means the smaller is going to be. You can see here this is very smaller. You can have 20,000 or 20. Yeah, 20,000, maybe 10,000. You can see in a proper way. So this area has nothing in here. So now what I can make, so this is how you can you can make a cluster kind of grasses kind of thing, and I can decrease it into 50,000 and 50,000, sorry, 5,000 I supposed to say. So yeah, so this is very black. That means is what, that we don't have anything there, because it's there, but it is very small that you cannot see, means like extremely small. And what I can make, I can do select it and make it 0.5. You can see we have very noisy kind of thing. Something is bigger, something is smaller, and 0.8 also. This is also nice. Something is smaller, something is bigger. So according to your choice, you can use this thing and select it and click here. You can come here. Now you can see you can still access these things. It's not like that. If you have this map, you cannot use this thing. You can still use this 0.5. So even more, I can get randomness. So, but I suggest you that if you have this map, I don't use these things, because of like for the same thing I have to use lots of parameters for that. I don't recommend that thing. So if you are using this one, should not use this one, or if you're using this one, it has to be by default. This is my experience, and if you have a good result, if you according to your value, that is up to you. There is no problem with that. But always you can change, and you can trial and error is a part of our game, so you can use that, no problem. So this is the thing that you can use this noise texture, or in black and white concept. I am trying to convey that how we are going to manipulate that scaling of my mesh network by using black and white color. This is how you can use this scale option inside the strength of mesh distribute. In the next one, I will show you something very different. See you in the next lecture.